So we'll start the frameworks from the beginning. Okay, so the frameworks I have totally separated into 7 stages. 1 2 3 4 5 6 to 7. Okay, why I have separated into 7 stage? The 7th is the last full complete stage, but directly if I go to the 7th stage, the frameworks will be little bit difficult to understand. So that's why each and every stage I have added some new things. Okay, so for that I have created an Excel sheet also. Okay, here stage 1 to stage 7 we have 7 sheets here. What this will do means, okay, the first part will give you the setup configuration, that is what are the files you need to be created, okay, based on the Eclipse and also outside. Okay, that will be there. And the second one is what means, what are the things that are present under the class file in XLX file. That is actually you have a Excel sheet, what are the things that Excel sheet contains, okay, how it need to be saved. Then next one, you have Excel library dot class, some test executor dot class, like that we have some respective informations, some classes in the coding. Okay, that classes will have some methods. What is that help of the method in the application? That's what we are given here. Then we have test executor class. Here also, what is the use of that respective test executor class we are given. So now for that I have created you one respective file also here. So what does this means? com.activetime is a project. Okay, in this project I am having totally 2 packages. One is com.activetime.frameworkEngine, another one is what, com.activetime.xls. These are the 2 packages we have. In that package, here we have Excel library class and then one test executor class. In this package I am having one Excel sheet, test.xlsx. Okay, now I'll go to Eclipse. I'll open this Eclipse first stage, open the source. First I'll open the framework engine and then Excel sheet. See here, Excel sheet is consisting of one Excel sheet and then the framework engine is consisting of the Excel library and then test executor class. I'll open Excel library and also I have test executor class. Okay, so first, and also I'll go to the original folder location. Okay, the original folder location is present under Selenium batch, Eclipse code. Here I'm having, sorry, G drive, my framework, ActiveTime 1, source folder, com. Okay, this is where my Excel sheet is present. I'll open. Okay, this is what I'm having in my respective Excel sheet. Okay, so now I'll just go. I'll open the setup. So first we'll see the setup, what is present. Okay, I told we need to create a project. What is it? The project name I have given as com.activetime1. Okay, the project name is the reverse of your respective main URL. Okay, it's reverse of your main URL here. That's what. Okay, so ActiveTime is my application, so I have just used com.activetime1. Then I need to create a package. Okay, what are the package here? One is framework engine, another one is the Excel sheet. These are the 2 packages I am going to create here. If I come over to the Java, say Eclipse, you can see here com.activetime is the project name. In that I am having 2 packages. One is framework engine, another one is the XLS. Okay, what this framework engine is happening, we'll see. And then also I need to add jar files. Okay, so what is the jar files? That is, if I want to work on the Webdriver, I need to download the Selenium related jar files, Webdriver related. From HQ website, Selenium HQ website, I downloaded the jar files and then I want to add and Java related jar files. These 2 things will be there. And also I'm going to work on the Excel sheet. So Apache POI jar files also is needed for me. These are the 3 jar files that needed for me. So those things we need to add. How to add that one? We know. Right click on the respective project, go to build path, configure build path. Then go to the libraries tab. Here click on add external jars. There we need to go to the respective Webdriver. which we already downloaded, 2.4.2 latest one, these two jar files, and then in the library folder these 37 jar files, totally 39 jar files from Webdriver. And then also we am going to work on Excel sheet now. So if I go to this 3.10 here, outside I will be having these two jar files, okay, sorry, 3 jar files, 00 XML schemas and all those things. Then also go to the library, in the library, sorry, go to the 00 XML library, in that DOM4J and XML beans. These are the 5 jar files from the Excel. Everything will be added. Then click on OK. So already I have added these things. Now click on OK. Now forming the framework, okay, engine package. Okay, in the package I told framework engine package, I have test executor class and Excel library class. If you come over here, framework engine, I am having one test executor and then one Excel library. These two classes I have here. Then in the XLS package I am having test.xlsx file, this one, we'll see that also. Here I am having test.xlx. That's what your setup is about, this setup. Next step, what is present on your class file, and then after that your XLS file, we'll see. Okay, first I'll take the XLS sheet. For that, okay, I have separated into 4 columns. Okay, I have separated that information into 4 columns, that is action keywords, element ID method, locator value and data. We'll see that one. Action keywords, element ID, locator value and data, all those things I'm having now. Okay, so what is this action keywords? These things is going to do, we'll see. First, action keywords, it contains the action to be performed on the web element. For example, I want to type on it, click on it, or what is the action I want to do. Next is element ID method, that is it contains which property to be taken for identifying the element. That is what element ID method means, that is it's going to take the property of name or ID or Xpath or class, which one based on, that is driver.find element by .name or Xpath or class, na? That one which is going to take, that's one. Next is locator value. What is locator value? It is the respective, okay, property value for the element, contains the property value of an element. That is, if you are taking Xpath means what is Xpath one, if you are taking username, okay, sorry, name means what is the value for it, like that. If I go here, see here, name, username, name, password, ID, login button, class, logout, like that we are taking. Next one, data, that is what is the value you need to pass to the respective web element. That is text box means I'll be passing admin, manager, like that. What is the information I need to pass? Okay, these informations I need to make it here. And finally, next what you have to do, okay, right click on this one, sorry, that is select these information, then make sure that you are giving borders on it, and then right click on it, format cells, then you have to select text here, then click on OK. That means only if it is taken as a text, then only the row count you can get it from the Excel sheet. That is, you have a method to get the row count from the Excel sheet. So once if you make it as a text, then only you can use it. Then if it is a Ubuntu machine, make sure that you are also giving borders for it, okay, or else it will not work for you in Ubuntu. Here means converting as text is enough, okay, but make sure that here also follow the same standard procedure. Then while you are saving it, save as, give it as test.xlsx, okay, and here make sure that you choose 2007 to 2010 format for the Excel sheet, or else, okay, make it as Excel workbook. If you are not having 2007 2010 format, make it as Excel workbook here. That is the one precaution. Then save it. I already saved it. Okay, then okay, this is what we are seeing in the Excel sheet here. Okay, next, Excel library class. Where is Excel library class is present means it's present under what framework engine package. Okay, if you come over to the Excel library class, okay, in this Excel library class I'm having totally 3 methods. One is get row count, another next method is get Excel data, this method, get row count, get Excel data, next is write to Excel. These are the 3 methods your Excel library class is having. That's it. Okay, that's what I have written here. Contains 3 methods: get row count, get Excel data, write to Excel. What is this get row count, Excel data, write to Excel is going to do? We'll see. Get row count, what it will do? It will accept one sheet name. Based on the sheet name, it goes and fetch me the last row number. What is a row count? It will be fetched for me. That's what your get row count is going to do. Then your Excel data, what it will do? It accepts sheet name, row number, cell number, row number, sheet name. Okay, so what this will do means it will go inside this one, and based on our row number and cell number what we have passed, row number and cell number what we have passed, based on that it will get me the value which is been, that is actually what is there present into the Excel sheet, that it will fetch and then gives to me. That's what your row count is going to do. So from where? That is from using the return value. Here are the return type is string, because the value which I am going to fetch from the Excel sheet is a string there. So that's why string. So for example, if any errors are happen in between, so at that time I am making it as null. That is, null means what? No value. That's what. Okay, it will be null, otherwise it will fetch some values and then finally gives me some return value here. That's what I am storing here in this line. Okay, then write to Excel. It's going to accept me sheet name, row number, cell number, value. So this one, what, based on your row number and then cell number and your sheet number, goes to the respective place, and in that actually it will write some information and finally stores the information there. Okay, so what is the thing is totally your Excel library class is going to do means it's going to get the row count, read from the Excel sheet, get Excel data, and finally write it to the Excel sheet. That's what. Okay, it's going to accept me the sheet name, row number, cell number, and your respective value that need to pass. Okay, these are the things it's going to accept for you. Okay, now, so that's what I mentioned here. Okay, now I'll go to the test executor class. Okay, if you come to the test executor class, we have a main function. Okay, inside the main function you can see first we are invoking the browser, then we are entering the URL information and implicit wait. Okay, we are doing it 30 time unit dot seconds, we are waiting for it. Then I am creating an object for the Excel library class, because if I create an object for the Excel library class, what I can do, I can access all the methods, all the members of the Excel library class. That's what I am doing here. Then integer number of test steps equal to library dot get row count login logout. That is, I am calling the method get row count by passing the sheet name, because it will accept me what, your respective sheet name as a string value, the get row count, this one. That's what we got here. Now I'm going to run a for loop here. The loop starts from 1. Why means, okay, the Excel sheet, it starts from the index value, row count starts from index value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what happened here also. It starts from 1. I is less than or equal to number of test steps you are giving. Okay, what is the number of steps? Right now we got the row count. The row count also is what? Is a indexed value. That's what it's got. So that's why we are running it for less than or equal to number of test steps. Then I'm incrementing it I plus plus. So when the loop starts, at that time I'm going to read the information from the Excel sheet. What are the informations? Your action keywords, element ID method, locator value, admin data. These are the 4 informations I'm going to read from there. I read this. From where? See here. Library.getExcel data, login logout I comma 1. That is what login logout represents what? The sheet name login logout. I comma 1 means what? That is right now I is what? 1, 0, 1. And then your column is what? 0, 1. The same thing if I give it as 0, 1, 0, 2. Okay, that means here. Library.getExcel data, login logout I comma 2. If you give I comma 2 means what is the thing it will happen? 0, 1, 0, 1, 2 name. It will be taken. Like that, it will fetch the information of locator value and then your data. All these 4 informations are right now taken, and then after that has been stored in the variables, these 4 variables: action, element ID method, locator value, data. These 4 informations are loaded there. That's what. Then I'm printing action, element ID, what I got. Correct. I'll tell you. That is using guest Excel data. I'm passing 3 parameters: login, logout, I comma 1. I is what right now? Is 1 first when it starts. Okay, that is 1 string value, 2 integer values. So when I come to Excel library class, here string get Excel data is accepting sheet name, row number, cell number. No, that's what. Okay, that's what is accessing there. These 4 informations captured there. Now I'm going to use if action dot equals type. Okay, what is this action dot equals type means what? Right now in the action string variable, what has been stored right now? Type. Type has been stored here. Just a second. Okay, if action dot equals type, it's going to check whether your respective action is type here. If it is type, what will happen? It will go to the if block. Okay, it goes and execute this information totally. So now after entering to the block, it again is going to check element ID method equals name. What is the element ID method right now we got? It is name. So if this is equal to name, it will enter into this block. If it is not name, goes and fetches for the else if conditions here. That's how. Okay, so first it checks for the action type. Okay, then after that element ID method's name. If it is present, execute this if condition and comes out of the if condition block. If it is not there, what will happen? Here it searches for name, ID, class and everything. If this type is not matching, what will happen? Here itself, from here it will go to the else if condition. Now check whether click, then it will be asking here again element ID method equals CSS, ID, class, everything we need to write. Likewise only your execution will start. Once one has been finished, now what will happen? Again the loop starts. I is equal to what? 2. 2 is what right now? Okay, login logout I comma 2. So that means what? Row number is 2. 0, 1, 2. So now it will execute this information. When I is equal to 3, what will happen? It will execute this information. I is equal to 4, it will execute this information. Like that only execution will work for you. Okay, type, name and ID, everything. That's what this package is about. Clear now? Okay, now if you see to the test data framework, here I have mentioned we have outer else if condition and also an inner else if condition here. okay, to identify the action keywords, element ID method, etc., and all those things. That's what this framework is about.